morning, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make the cutest little ladybird out of raw materials. All you need is an empty toilet roll, some red paint, your glue, and then I've already cut out the two wings of the ladybird beforehand, so you can ask mommy to help you with that. Remember, if you don't have red colored paper, you can draw it on a white piece of paper, color it in with your red crayon, and then cut it out. I already cut out some different size circles to paste on my ladybug's wings, and then also the two feelers. So let's start. I'm going to start by painting this whole toilet roll with red paint. You must cover it nice everywhere. And when I'm done, I'm just going to put it down to give it some time to dry. Let me just see if I covered all the areas. Yes, I'm just going to put it over here so it has some time to dry. So while it's busy to dry, I think we can take the two wings of the ladybird as well as all my circles, and then we can start by pasting the circle, all the circles all over the wings. I've cut out several different size circles, big, small, so it's not only one size. And you can just randomly paste them all over the wings of your ladybird. You can paste as many circles as you like on the wings of your ladybird. Alright, I think that's that. Now I'm just going to leave this and give this some time to dry before we go on. Okay friends, now that this is dry, we're quickly going to assemble all the parts. First I'm going to take my wings. Just apply a little bit of glue to a piece and then paste it. And then the other wing must be at the same side. I'll show you now when I'm done. It must look something like this. So what does this ladybird still need? It still needs two eyes, a mouth, and its feelers. So let's first put in, you can put a little bit of glue on the feelers and then paste it over here. And you do exactly the same with the second one. And they must both be the same height. And now we can quickly paste his eyes. Just turn it around so I can see nicely. one eye, and next to the one eye, the other eye. And now I'm going to use my black marker to quickly draw a nice smile and some beautiful lashes for my ladybird. I'm going to draw a very beautiful, nice smile. And some lashes. And then, friends, when you are all done, your beautiful ladybird will look like this. It's so cute. Now you can go and play with this outside and go and search for a real ladybird. Bye, friends. Enjoy!